This is step 4 on how to get started as an affiliate marketer. Don't forget, if you didn't see videos 1 through 3, make sure you go back and check them out. And make sure you like this video and save this video for reference. Step 4, you are going to need a product to promote. Now, if you are already in a niche that you are passionate about, I suggest maybe doing a Google search to see what products are available in that niche. In my opinion, if you are a beginner and you just took an affiliate marketing course or you're getting ready to take the course, I highly recommend you promote that course. Here is why. That affiliate marketing course is going to teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, especially if you're taking the course that I promote. It's going to give you a step-by-step roadmap on how to be successful and how to learn the appropriate skills to start earning $1,000 a month. And that's just to start out. Once you learn those skills and master those skills in 6 months, 12 months, a year and a half, you can turn around and start promoting anything you're passionate about. And if you're ready to get started and you want more information, you can always go to my bio and grab the free training to see if affiliate marketing is for you. Don't forget to check out step 5 for your last step on how to start affiliate marketing. And don't forget to save this video.